How do you share your screen with Gemini? First, go to Chrome and search for Google AI Studio. Do not click on the first option right here, but click on the second one so that it can redirect you to the right website. Once you're here in Google AI Studios, click on Models and Real Time, and then select the model Gemini 3.1 Flash Preview. Now that you're here in this chat, you can start going live and share your screen. It can give you a few different options where you can share a window, a tab, or an entire screen. To give you an example, I'm going to open a new tab right here, and I'm going to start sharing that for more focus. Now that I'm sharing this tab, as you can see here on the chat, I'm going to search for a random word right here so that we can be able to test the model if it works. I'm going to open the microphone here so that the model will understand what I'm trying to say or what I'm trying to make him do. Hey Google, what am I seeing here?
You're looking at the Google Images search results for sunflower. It's showing a grid of many different pictures of sunflowers. Did you have a specific question about them?
I'm trying to look for the song Sunflower. How can I find it?
Since you're in image search results right now, you'll want to switch to video search. Just click on the Videos tab near the top of the page, and that should help you find the song. Or if you prefer, you can type Sunflower Song in the search bar and press Enter.
Yes, so that's how you share your screen with Google Gemini.